This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jason Litt. Find everything you're looking for in this stunning end-unit townhouse located in the desirable Latitude community. Designer details include hardwood flooring, open concept floor plan, updated fixtures and finishes throughout. Kitchen features contemporary cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, granite counters and a seated bar. Air conditioner unit is 2021. Spacious owner's suite offers walk-in closet and ensuite bath with double sink vanity, separate tub and shower. Outdoor spaces include balcony and private terrace, a serene spot for outdoor seating, dining, grilling and entertaining. Tenant occupied until February of 2023 and they are paying $3,200 monthly. There is an option for the tenants to leave early too. For more